Have you ever thought about transforming your life and the lives of others? What if I told you that you could learn how to change minds and transform lives, starting with your own? Welcome to the Ultimate NLP Training Experience, created by Kamran Sultan, a master trainer of NLP and hypnosis.
Neuro-linguistic programming. Programming brain through language.
It has transformed my personality.
It has really transformed me.
Kamran has been using NLP since 1991 and teaching it since 1997, with over 36,000 hours of coaching and training experience. Join his 95th licensed NLP Practitioner certification training, a hybrid program designed to fit your schedule and learning preferences. Upon enrollment, you'll gain lifetime access to the unedited recording of his previous NLP Practitioner training, the NLP Pro home study course. This comprehensive training spans 21 sessions, covering every aspect of NLP at the practitioner level. Watch these sessions at your own pace, investing about 5 hours each week. In addition to the home study course, you'll participate in 12 weekly live online training sessions. These interactive sessions reinforce your learning and offer hands-on practice with personalized feedback.
One of the best decisions of my life, one of the best times of my life.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस जो हैं वो बियॉन्ड माय एक्सपेक्टेशन, यानी मैं सोच भी नहीं
कि
सकती।
वाकई जो मुझे चीज अचीव करनी थी आज वो मुझे जो है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मिल गई।
After completing the course, you'll receive a prestigious NLP Practitioner certificate from the Society of NLP, signed in ink by Dr. Richard Bandler, John Laval, and Kamran Sultan. This certification opens doors to new opportunities and enhances your credibility. This is an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth. What are the enrollment options? We offer 3 flexible enrollment options to fit your needs. 1, basic tier. Access to the NLP Pro home study course, 21 sessions, 12 weekly live online training sessions, NLP Practitioner certificate from the Society of NLP. 2, prime tier, all benefits of the basic tier, plus additional bonuses and resources, details on the enrollment page. Price, check the enrollment page for special offers. 3, elite tier, all benefits of the basic and prime tiers. For those looking for even more value, the first 6 enrollees in the elite tier will receive 3 one-on-one personal breakthrough coaching sessions, each worth $650, absolutely free. We offer flexible payment options, including a 3-month interest-free installment plan. Pay in full and receive the Hypnosis Practitioner Certification Home Study course for free, a bonus worth $257. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from a seasoned expert and gain skills that will empower you for life. Enroll now and start your journey to becoming a certified NLP practitioner. Click the link below to secure your spot. If you have any questions, check out our FAQ section at the bottom of this page or contact us via WhatsApp at +1 908 500 9371. We look forward to seeing you in the course and supporting your journey to excellence.